Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Vidon AI account online on your computer. And now let's start right in. Now to register an account on the Vidon Text to Video AI account online on your computer, just open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address vidon.ai and hit on enter. And after that will be directed to the home page of Vidon AI over here. And guys, in order to register an account on the Vidon AI, you can simply click on the Get Started Now button over here or at the top right corner of the screen where I'm hovering right now. And guys, before you sign in, see the pricing of the Vidon AI to which features you want to continue the Vidon AI over here. And after deciding your pricing or your account type subscription, go to your account registration page, which was open before this one. Had to click on the Get Started and just wait for it to load. And over here, guys, you'll be required to enter your details over here for a manual sign up, and you can also directly continue with your Google account without having to register an account by simply clicking on the continue with Google. A login page to your Google account will open, and if you sign into your respective Google account over there, you will have also signed up for a Vidon AI account with your Google account. You'll just have to subscribe or to pay for the subscription of your Vidon AI. And over here, enter your full name. After that, enter your email address with which you will be using your Vidon AI account later on. And after that, enter your password over here, guys. And this is the password creation site or the creation option where you will have to enter your password a more little strong one, make it up to at least 8 characters long, and use some capital letters as well as some small letters, some numbers, and some extra special characters to just make it strong. And with that being said, guys, after entering all of your details over here, simply click on the sign up button available over here, and then you will have registered for an account on the Vidon AI. But on the next step, you will be required to verify yourself and pay for the subscription. A verification link will be sent to you on your email address. Put your email address, receive that mail, and click on the verification link to verify that you're a human. And after that, on the next step, subscribe to the plan of Vidon AI, and you will be able to use the Vidon Text to AI account online on your computer with ease. And with that being said, guys, this is how you register an account on the Vidon AI account online. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.